Do you want to become a profitable trader? Hi, I'm CA RUDRAMURTHY, author, trader, and trainer, welcomes you to this very special Easy Money show. Now, the big question is what next in market? What came out of budget? What came out of RBI policy? Now, keeping aside all these fundamental news, technically, what is next in market? Now, all these detailed analysis we will be seeing in this today's very special Easy Money show. Do watch without fail till the end for complete market view. Now, if I look at the fundamentals of market, budget was way beyond market's expectation in terms of positivity. This budget was very sure a growth oriented budget, realistic budget, and it was a budget which ensured there is one main mantra, that is growth for India. They want to ensure the $5 trillion economy's target of India is achieved come what may. It was not a populistic budget. It was not a vote bank budget. It was not a budget which was just done to ensure it is a more political budget. But however, this budget was really a growth focused one. Now, post this, we had the RBI policy, which was way dovish than anyone's expectation. Now, people ask, what is this dovish? Very simple. Dove is a bird which is more a calm, smooth, and a love showing bird. But when you see hawkish, hawk is similar to your eagle, which is more a dangerous, furious bird. So whenever people say the policy was hawkish, that means there were a lot of concerns on growth and inflation can go up, interest rates can go up. Then we say it was more a hawkish policy. But yesterday's policy was not just dovish, it was way dovish and so calm, and market saw a huge rally on bank nifty because of that dovish policy, because expectation on inflation for this coming financial year, that is 22-23, for the whole year was somewhere at around 5 to 5.5%, but RBI governor told it is manageable within 4.5% level, and this was so positive for market because all that negativity on inflation was taken away. Also, when it comes to repo rate and reverse repo rate, the policy stand was no increase in both repo rate and reverse repo rate. In fact, in coming videos, I'll tell you what is repo rate, what is reverse repo rate in the easiest fashion. But to make it very simple, repo rate is the rate at which commercial banks can borrow money from RBI, and reverse repo rate is other way around. When commercial banks park their money with RBI, they get that interest. However, expectation of market was at least reverse repo rate will go up, and that did not happen, which was very positive to market. Now you will be saying, yes, we understand budget was very positive, RBI policy was very positive, but what next to market? Because all this is just a previous data point. We are more concerned on what next. Time is opportunity, and we have to call the market next. And that is what I will try to do in detail through the charts for you people. Let us look at Nifty chart coming up to you on your screen. Now, if you watch this Nifty chart very carefully, I have a lot of points to discuss here and zoom in to know more. Now, if you see this very carefully, let us see what happened on Nifty. So on Nifty, after all this positive move, what you are seeing, this is the up move on Nifty daily chart. I'm looking at Nifty futures and not spot, and look at the daily chart. See, we made a high on the chart, which was here. And if you see these figures, the high made here was at around, if you see the highest level, it is 18,363. Let me put this number. The high here is 18,363. Now, I want you to look at the high what we have made here. Now, let us just go and even check the high made there, and let me just give the numbers to you. If you see the high made, it is around 17,810. So I'm just putting the number there. So the high is 17,810. Now see right now where we are. Right now we are here, but this figure right now, you can see here it is 17,620. And let me tell you, on top of this very positive RBI policy and on top of this very positive budget, by now you tell me where should the markets have gone? Such a positive RBI policy, such a positive budget, this market by now should have just spiked and it should have broken all these previous highs. If this market was very strong bullish market, by now it should have crossed 18,300, but we are still at 17,620 level. Now what I'm trying to give you as a chartic view with lot of understanding and with 18 years of my experience on chart reading, both RBI policy and budget was so positive, but still it could not take the markets above previous highs, which was at around 18,300. And all this is telling me even we are unable to break the recent high which is made here, and this level is 17,810. We are unable to even break the level of 17,810. And do understand, market fell from 17,810 to 17,050. Now having fallen about 750 points in top of this super budget, on top of this super RBI policy, we have not even gone back to that level of 17,810 and markets are struggling. This tells to me that yes, all this positive up move, whatever you are trying to now catch on market, cannot stay for more long. And let me tell you, till we cross 17,810, this market remains a sell on every rise market. And the positive news of RBI policy and budget is unable to even take markets above the previous high. But however, let me tell you, a close below 17,400 will be the first sign of weakness. And once we close below 17,400, I'll be watching the next level, which is at around 17,220. So if we close below even 17,220, technically this market becomes more weaker and it should attempt 16,850. And any close below 16,850 will take the market below to previous lows which it has made, and that swing low is around 16,400. So right now market is in this tight range of 17,220 to 17,810. The so-called positive RBI policy, the so-called budget has hardly taken market not even to the previous swing highs, which is at around 17,810. And all this beautifully, you people went into the chart live and saw what Nifty was all about. And friends, I'm sure this type of technical analysis, understanding chart reading in the simplest manner and knowing more about powerful indicators and learning of market is very important for someone to understand not just what was in the past, but what is going to happen in the future, only with which you can make money. So I have my 0 to Millionaire program starting today, and it's a live online 3-day program, and I'm sure you want to have more of chart reading. You can't miss this program happening this weekend starting from today evening. And you want more information about the program, just check the description and go to website www.ztmindia.com, or even you can contact my office for registration. Let me see you all in the 0 to Millionaire intensive learning program. And I always say, learn so as to earn, and complete chart reading of all this much more coming to you. Very limited seat, and don't miss this last opportunity to get into this fabulous program 0 to Millionaire. See you all today in the 0 to Millionaire live program happening from tonight. Till then, Take care. Bye-bye.